Welcome back to another Dallas, Texas apartment tour. This is what $1,200 would get you in Dallas, Texas. So this is part 2 to my 2-part series. Part 1 was showing you the 2-bedroom, 2-bath in this same apartment complex. And this is the 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So be sure to check out part 1, and I hope you guys enjoyed this apartment tour. So guys, here is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment in the same building. Earlier I showed you guys the 2-bedroom, 2-bath, and this is a model for the 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So here is the front door. So as soon as you walk in, you have the front door, and let's see what this door is to the left. Oh, that's the utility closet, so yeah. So right here, you have your washer and your dryer. So I guess all the units come with washer and dryer, it looks like it, because this one has washer and dryer. You have the shelves, and then you have these tall ceilings, which I forgot to point out in the last video. They have tall ceilings. So to me, all of them look the same. They have the same kind of layout. So as soon as you walk in, you have the kitchen, which opens up to the living room, and you have your balcony. So you see all this, like all these windows, they have a lot of natural sunlight, which is a plus. You have this lighting fixture above the island, and then you have the same type of drawers and cabinets that's underneath the island. So you have the drawers, and I won't open up all the drawers. You have cabinets at the bottom. And then you have that same attached table that's on top of the island right here. So the same thing, you can put bar stools, because the last unit was not furnished, this one is furnished. So you have your refrigerator. You have cabinets that is above the refrigerator. You have the same underlighting and the same marble countertop. Look at the backsplash, I'm in love. Let's open up some cabinets so that you guys can see. So you have cabinets over the microwave. You have your electric oven and stove. There is drawers underneath the sink and more cabinets, your dishwasher. And then you have the same shelf, metal shelf that's over the sink. More cabinets, you have your pantry to the right of the dishwasher. And it's the same size pantry as the last unit. Lots of space. Right here you have the living room, and let me close this so that you guys can get a good view of the living room. But you see how much stuff they're able to fit in here? Like, this is a big living room, and look at the flooring. This is my favorite. This is beautiful. So from the kitchen and the living room, you have the bedroom to the left and the bathroom straight ahead. So I'll show you guys the bathroom. And let's see what's in here. Oh, this is a closet, like a linen, not a linen closet, a coat closet. And look at the tall ceiling. So here is the bathroom. The same kind of color scheme as the first one. And then you have the same, the sink. You have more cabinets at the bottom. And they put towels right here, which is cool. And then here is the view of the mirror. And then you have your towel closet. Down here is where you'll put like your laundry basket at the bottom. And straight ahead is the closet, but we're gonna show you the toilet, which I think this right here is unique, the separation between the toilet and like the bathtub. I like that separation. So here is the one and only closet for this 1-bedroom unit. So the closet is the same type of layout as the 2-bedroom, same exact thing. You have all this storage space on top. Hang your clothes there. You can put whatever you want in these shelves. You have drawers. And then this closet wraps around to the entire corner. So they definitely utilize this whole entire space. All right, and now we're gonna go into the bedroom. So here is the one and only bedroom. This bed looks like it's a queen size bed, and you see you have enough space to put your nightstand. They have a dresser right here, which is pretty cool. And then you still have space in that corner. So look how tall the ceilings are. You have this big old natural sunlight mirror, not mirror. You have natural sunlight coming from the window, which is a plus. You have ceiling fan. And then you have my cameraman. Say what up, cameraman.
That's what's up.
So yeah, this is a nice size bedroom. I like this. So here is a bedroom one last time. This is it for this apartment tour of this 1-bedroom apartment here in Addison, Texas. I will leave the name and the information and the link to this exact apartment complex here. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, feel free to message me on my Instagram, Sabi Chantelli. Also comment down below which apartment complex I should do next. And if you guys want to support my channel so that I can continue to do more apartment tours, you can send me a donation to my Cash App, and I'll leave it on the screen right here. But that is it. Make sure you check out part 1 to this 2-part series. Part 1 will show you guys the 2-bedroom, 2-bath unit here in this complex. And this one was the 1-bedroom, 1-bath unit here in this complex. So I'll see you guys in my next apartment tour. Bye guys.